The goal of the person-centered therapy is to help the client achieve self-actualization in a non-directive manner. After the client-centered therapy, you're now going to proceed with the Gestalt therapy. In Gestalt therapy, it strives to help the client being in the present and the now situation. It's the notion of stopping the swing from past to future and focus on the here and now. Today, we're going to show the empty chair strategy of the Gestalt therapy. A client named Raquel had previously been in the session of the Gestalt and have already shared her problem with the therapist. Hi Raquel, good afternoon. Galing sa past therapy mo, na-share mo na may problema ka with your thesis group mates, specifically to your leader. You said na you feel sad and you feel pressured kasi parang ikaw na lang yung halos gumagawa ng lahat ng works regarding sa thesis niyo. Today, I'm going to ask you to act out everything that you want to share and express what you truly feel inside to your leader. Imagine that your leader is sitting right here in the empty chair. So you may start talking to your leader and act like he or she is really here in the empty chair.
Oh, ano na nangyari sa'yo? Hindi ka nagpapalamdam, pinipim ka kami sa FB, tapos na-text ka namin, hindi ka man lang nag-reply. Tapos last time, tinext ka nung isa nating ka-grupo, kung ano na nangyari sa'yo, sabi mo wala kang cellphone pero nakapag-reply ka. Ano na gusto mo mangyari? Nung nag-exam tayo dun sa dalawang subject kahapon, nandun ka sa harap, tapos nandun kami sa likod, nag-aantay lang kami na i-approach mo kami, tapos wala ka man nang sinabi na kung kumusta na yung thesis natin o ano. Parang feeling namin wala kang pakialam. Gusto na nga namin tanggalin yung pangalan mo, pero nag-aalangan na kami. Gusto lang naman sana namin na maramdaman na may pakialam ka man lang, kahit sabihin mo, kahit marami kang dahilan, okay lang, basta maramdaman namin na may concern ka para sa thesis. Wala.
After saying everything that you want to share with sa thesis leader nyo, may I ask you to transfer the other seat? Kung naman yung umupo dito and ano sa palagay mo yung mararamdaman mo bilang leader na sinabihan ni Raquel, ikaw naman yung mag-accept at sumagot sa mga sinabi ni Raquel sa empty chair na to.
Raquel, sorry kasi napapabayaan ko na yung thesis natin. Alam ko naman yun, sorry kasi may mga certain priorities ka talaga ako iniintindi. And sorry kung na tingin nyo marami akong dahilan. Parang lang siya coincidence lang yung nangyayari. Tapos yun, sorry kasi feeling nyo wala akong kwentang leader, pinapabayaan ko kayo. Sorry sa mga pagkukulang ko. Ayun. Sana maintindihan nyo. Gusto ko nang bumawi pero feeling ko huli na lahat kasi yun nga, pasahan na bukas, tapos encoding na ng grades. Pero kahit na ganun, ayun, may concern pa rin naman ako sa thesis niya pero sorry talaga.
You may na